friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kes. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing, of course, and I think you know why. Yeah, it has to do with this hair. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Alipearl Hair. It's been a minute since we've collaborated. They came back standing on business because take a look at this wig. Today is a good day. I wish that my mood wasn't like stabilized by receiving a beautiful wig and installing it and the install going so well that it literally makes my day. I wish I was not so codependent on having a good wig in my life, as my emotions and feelings and mood is based on my hair. I know, it's crazy. Guys, let's talk about what I have installed. Today what I have installed is a 26-inch 13x6. It is a big body 13x6. The parting space is all throughout. It goes all the way back. HD, pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached knots, ready to wear, deep wave wig. And it's also 250% density.
Day drinking till the evening. I knew that you were leaving, trying to wash the pain away. Day drinking till the evening. I knew that you were leaving, trying to wash the pain away.
Let's check out the lace. Ooh, look at that. Look how long and thick and full she is. Guys, I'm excited for this wig. This is a 13x6, so the strap is like way down there. I don't even know if that's gonna even do anything, but let's give it a go. Slide it back. That hairline, oh my goodness, it is beautiful. Right off the bat, it fits very well. I'm gonna go in and cut some of that lace out right there because I just want the hairline to look a little bit more natural. Okay. So sometimes you have to cut into this portion right here, the sideburns, because look, if I didn't, the wig will come all the way down to here, right? So I'm gonna measure where my ear is. I do it a little bit below, so then if we make a mistake, we can easily fix it. So that's the piece I'm going to cut off. And I like to round the tip there. Okay, and then that fits good. So then same thing with this side. For glue, I'm gonna go in with this. And then next I'm gonna go in with my sticky little secret for my second layer, just in the front here. You're gonna work quickly once you put this product. You gotta spread it immediately. Okay, this wig is perfectly fitting for me, so we really have to make sure that it's a snug fit. Okay, pressing it in. Press, 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 press. And basically, I just want to let it dry for a few minutes. Now, to help her melt down, we can definitely apply the melt band. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this melt spray. I'm gonna go in with my favorite powder, even though it doesn't need it, just to hide the little bit of glue that did not turn clear. Sometimes when you rush the application, it doesn't always like turn clear. If you apply too much before they dry, the coats, you know, that sort of thing. That's all we do. Look at that, guys. Amazing, flawless, beautiful. Do you see how easy this install was? I'm just gonna make sure that all of the areas are secured down and melted down.
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin.
It does dry very fast, so when you're using that melt spray, you gotta be quick. Yeah, it's already in the middle part, and we're leaving it in such middle part because that's what we do around here. In this bottle, there's just water. There's nothing else in this bottle. I will add some conditioner too, but yeah, just wet her down and then I'm gonna be back.
'Cause with you, I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face.
So this wig actually comes in a 5x5, a 13x4, and a 13x6. The style that I have is a 13x6, so you can have a little bit of variety. It's not stretch length, so when I stretch it, it actually is longer. But as it's resting right now, it is in the length 26 inch. That's amazing. I'm super impressed. It's just so full. This is probably one of the most beautiful wigs I've received. I love everything about it. I would definitely recommend you guys checking this wig out. This wig is Caviar Kez approved. It meets everything for me. You don't need to put any lace tint on the lace because it melts in invisibly. Look how full this wig is, guys. Yeah. Look how bouncy, and it's so soft. Like, it's just a perfect wig. There's nothing bad to say about it. So with that being said, I definitely recommend you guys checking it out and get one for you, your mama, and your best friend too, and even your auntie, because it's that girl. I gotta run. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Go get you this wig. Look at her. Oh my god, you guys won't regret it. You won't regret it. For anyone else watching, companies watching, we love this. We love a long, curly, big, bouncy wig, and you love it too. So anyways, guys, okay, bye y'all.